Hi, today tutorials we are going to teach you how to deposit Qatar Riyals money into the Ooredoo machine. Here are the step-by-step guide to do. Step 1, go to a Ooredoo machine or Self-Service Machine (SSM) and press any key to access the options menu. Step 2, select Mobile Money. Step 3, select Yes to confirm deposit. Step 4, enter your QID number. Step 5, enter mobile wallet number. Step 6, select deposit. Step 7, put cash in the cash slot once open. Ooredoo has unveiled its new generation of Ooredoo Self-Service Machines (SSMs), which have been designed to become a true one-stop shop for customers' needs. The new self-service machines will offer a host of new services, including a first-in-the-region opportunity to buy smart devices from Ooredoo via the machine. Speaking at the launch event, Walid Al-Sayed, Chief Executive Officer, Ooredoo Qatar, said, "Ooredoo has invested significantly to enrich its customers' communications experience, ensuring that the best and latest services are available to them. Launching the new self-service machines is our way to offer more convenience and faster service to Ooredoo customers, who can now use the machine to purchase a new phone or device 24/7, as well as sign up to our services or purchase a Hala SIM card." Ooredoo's new self-service machine is a first of its kind in Qatar and will enable Ooredoo to respond to evolving customer demand and allow immediate product purchase. The unmanned SSM will also give new customers and tourists a simple and easy-to-use solution in locations such as the airport, shopping centers and other tourist destinations. With this new addition to our self-service portfolio, we hope to redefine customer experience by allowing our customers to save time and be 100% in control. Added Walid Al-Sayed. This is the latest in a series of significant upgrades on Ooredoo's network of SSMs, as the company continues to offer more options for customers to facilitate access to Ooredoo's products and services. In addition to registering for services or buying devices via the Ooredoo self-service machines, customers can also pay Ooredoo Shari and Karma bills, top up Hala accounts, and purchase vouchers for an incredible range of shopping and dining experiences for popular brands in Qatar. If you find this video tutorial helpful, then give us a like and share this to your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on my next video soon.